Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, as I promised by the title, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that I got from a flea market antique style shop here in town where I live. My husband and I will go to some of these shops on the weekends, especially in the summer, to pick up some things to decorate our home with or to use as props in like photos or anything like that. I really like doing this just because there's a lot of unique pieces that we can decorate our home and to add a little bit more of a vintage, eclectic kind of style that no one really else has, especially in some of the stores. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got, then keep watching and I'm gonna get started with the very first thing. Okay, so the first thing that I got that I am really excited about is this vintage old Post magazine, basically. So it's called the Saturday Evening Post, and it's just a magazine style newsletter publication back from the 1950s. And the reason why I got it was because I really like the cover of this. This is an old vintage art piece, especially this one was really into the art deco style on the front of the cover of the magazine as opposed to a photograph, which I really appreciate. I love that vintage style. I think it adds a lot of character. I think there's a lot of beauty in this style of art, especially on a magazine. And I like to collect old vintage southern, old classic style pieces of art, especially of girls in this kind of attire. This is from the 1950s, so I thought this was perfect, and it was going to be perfect being displayed on my wall in a large frame. So that's exactly what I'm going to do with this. So that's what it looks like, and it has just this really cute girl looking and peeking into a refrigerator after some kind of event that she went to. I thought this was a really cute piece, and I'm going to be putting this in a really large frame. I don't know which size frame yet. I think I'm going to do a really large frame and make this like a focal point in my office. This only set me back, I think it was $10, and I haven't opened it yet, so I'm really excited to see what's inside. Okay, so another thing that I picked up while I was at this antique-y vintage style flea market store. Oh my gosh, I can't even. These are absolutely so beautiful. But look how cute these are. I am so excited about these. They're these adorable porcelain salt and pepper shakers from, I'm not even sure what era these are because I have yet to look up the information on these, but they have gold tops to them. So they're really sheen, they're really shiny, they're really golden on the top, and then they have this really beautiful blue floral print art on each side of the salt and pepper shakers. And as you can see, I got these for only $5 for the pair. I think they're so cute. I have a corner in my kitchen where it's kind of dark, so I put a lamp there, and I think I'm gonna put these there with some greenery just to add a little bit more color and to add that vintage feminine pop of style that I'm wanting in my kitchen. So another thing that I got while I was out antiquing was this really beautiful ornate serving knife that I am pretty much obsessed with. Look at this piece, you guys. It is flat on the edge and it has this gorgeous detailing that was so beautiful back in its heyday, because this is really rusty, really dirty to the touch, but it's this flat edge here where you hold it, and then it turns on a perpendicular twist to it. So it's flat on this side, and then once you turn it, then it's flat on this side. So this is the knife. Look how beautiful that intricate detail is on this. It was a cheese serving knife, if I'm not mistaken. It is silver-plated knife, so it's not actually silver, but I really like the detail of it anyway. I am looking to build up my collection of old vintage style servingware and utensils and things like that, because that is really the style that I'm wanting to go with. I have a lot of blue willow and china and things like that to decorate that cabinet with. Okay, so the last piece that I got was actually jewelry, and now this is a really weird buy for me because I'm not a big worn jewelry kind of person, and I don't even think this is vintage at all, but I thought this was really cute. I could not pass it up, especially since it was only $3. But it is this really gorgeous arm bracelet that I think is a lot like, what's that brand? I think the brand is like Burton or something, or Burks or something like that. It has kind of like that Celtic look to it, and it has, I mean, the heart shape is the clasp in itself, and it has the heart charm where only half of it is detailed with the swirls, and then it has this really gorgeous braided chain on it, which I think is really unique, and then it has, of course, the detail on the other. So I'm actually really excited about this because I do love bracelets, especially chunky bracelets like this that I think is really feminine, really classic, and just really overall preppy in the sense of how preppy jewelry looks on anything anything, especially a charm bracelet. That's what it looks like on. I think it's so pretty, and it just hangs really loosely on my wrist. Of course, I'm gonna take the $3 tag off, but just to show you that it was only $3. And it's really heavy. It's really good quality. I thought this was such a good steal for only $3 at the antique shop, the little antique place. So those are the things that I got while I was out antiquing and flea market shopping. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, let me know your favorite piece in the haul. I only spent $21 on all of these 5 pieces. So I got the magazine, I got the salt and pepper shakers, I got the serving knife, and I got a bracelet. So I am really excited about my haul. So if you guys like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, or if you guys want to see any more similar videos like this, please let me know down in the comments below. Hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else, I'm gonna be